Hey guys, I have two unboxings today. One's from My Gear Store. Can you see that? Sorry guys. That's from My Gear Store. And the other one is from, I don't know, the DSI company. But yeah. And yeah, let's get into them. I'll open this one first because this one's just paper, so I can just rip it easier. This is just the receipt, and this is what's inside. The power block, so you can plug in the USB to charge it in the wall. And I think that's all that's inside. Yeah, that's all that's inside. And this cost me only $5. There's a green dot. And yeah, that's all that came in there. That cost me $5 with shipping included. And it's the actual Apple original one, not some cheap knockoff. And this is from my Gear Store. And this one has a tab right here. That's all that's in there. And this is a Black Friday weekend sale, Friday 11/27 to Monday 11/30, 25% off from mygearstore.com. So simply placing. Yeah, so go check them out, guys. This is a good store. They sell a lot of stuff cheap. And this is what I got from them. The Switch DC Colors case. I had been wanting one of these for a while, and I was finally able to get it. It's the crimson one. There's a jelly button for the iPod Touch 2G. I think it'll fit mine because I have the 3G, but they're all basically the same from the 2G, I guess. And here's instructions. Comes with a microfiber screen wipe, the connector protector, two plastic protector membranes, I guess they call them. They're screen protectors, and the case itself. And right here it tells you how to put it in. Insert the iPod Touch into the silicone case, bottom and first, and pull edges rough to secure. And yeah, and let's open it. See, how do you open it? There's some tape right here. Because I gotta rip through here. Nah, just rip it. Oh, this thing's really glued. Sorry about that, guys. And then this should just slide out like that. And then it has tape on the sides. Oh, almost got the case. Oh, I'll just take it like that. There it is. As you can see right there, the microfiber cloth, the fake iPod. and the silicone case. Wow, this is really nice. I never actually had a silicone case like this one. I had other silicone cases, but none of them have ever felt like this one. Feels nice. And let's take out the fake iPod, see the stuff that's inside. It has the squeegee for putting on the screen protector, the dock protector for the bottom, and the microfiber cloth, and the two screen protectors. Sorry. Sorry. Mm, yeah, that's all that came with. Here's the case. Right there says Switch Easy, and here's their logo, I guess. The jelly button. And here's the volume rocker buttons. Here's the sleep off button on top. There. And yeah, that's basically it. And there's a thing for the dock and the headphone. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and go join my giveaway I'm having right now. It's for just one. It's a small giveaway just for a promo code for Jellycard 2, and yeah, go join it. All you have to do is rate, subscribe, and comment. Um, and yeah, and I'm gonna be having another unboxing not soon. I'm waiting for it to come. So I'll be having that too, and then I'll be having a review of this later on the video up in the week. I'm going to be having the review up too of the Rapsol protective film for the whole iPod. I'll be having that up soon, probably tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, the next day after that. The review of it. Go check out my other videos, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.